A free event to support one of the most vulnerable communities impacted by last year's wildfires was held tonight at the Lahaina Civic Center. Annalisa Burgos reports.
Krishna Bayudan was born and raised on West Maui. Her family is among thousands of Filipino immigrants displaced by the Lahaina wildfire. Despite millions of dollars in aid flowing to Maui, many survivors say they had trouble getting help, faced with language and cultural barriers.
People are still very much stressed about their housing situations. They're very stressed for the incoming FEMA program where they're going to start collecting the HUD spare market rent beginning, I believe, February or March of 2025. Many of them have expressed that they can't urnong money, which is they cannot save up money.
Seeing the frustration and unmet needs in her community, Bayudan interviewed fellow survivors for nonprofits Tagnawa and the Hawaii Worker Center to create a first-of-its-kind report and urge policymakers and agencies to ensure more equitable distribution of aid. Nearly 800 families were surveyed.
Considering the context that Lahaina is 40% Filipino, there needs to be a greater consideration of the Filipino experience after the fire. A lot of them are women. A lot of them work in the service industry. A lot of them have elderly in their families and children.
One of the big takeaways of the report, 68% of Filipino survivors lived in multi-generational households that complicated their eligibility to receive aid and find housing. Because FEMA and American Red Cross aid rules define a household as only immediate family, extended families were broken up, causing more trauma. Many lost critical support for childcare and caregiving.
What was once this big multi-generational household is now just separate, smaller units. And we lost the sense of community and help that our multi-generational houses provided.
Other concerns, half of Filipino children report suffering from mental health issues and rising food, transportation, and housing costs. The report offers culturally informed steps to recovery, from creating community events to multi-language outreach programs.
Implementing county rent assistance programs, because that is the number one issue, is people are afraid of becoming rent burden again.
Advocates hope the report motivates officials to step up for a community considered the backbone of West Maui's economy.
They put in so many years of hard work into Lahaina, and they don't imagine living anywhere else. So we need to honor these people, and we need to ensure that they have the housing stability and security that they so much deserve.
Annalisa Burgos, Hawaii News Now.